I am Kathy Harris, and I've been treated at OACM for 4 years. I'm a patient who wants to know all the details and information about my condition, the treatment possibilities, and what surgery and its outcomes can provide. And I've been very well provided with this information here at OACM. In June of 2011, my shoulder became extremely painful, and I came in for evaluation of the shoulder and to understand what the condition was and what treatment I might need. And I learned that I needed rotator cuff surgery. This is one of the most significant parts of my experience here. Two of the surgeons met with me together to explain all the possibilities, and they had worked out between themselves the best treatment plan for me, and it's been extremely successful. I had 2 shoulder surgeries, both followed by physical therapy, which was wonderful and supportive. I then had a shoulder replacement, which has provided me with tremendous results. I really appreciate the care and attention here at OACM. The physicians are willing to talk to me and to give me the information that I need. The physical therapists are able to guide me and encourage me to get through the difficult exercises and to accomplish the results that I'm looking for. There's also the quality of being able to talk to a person or communicate with the office and get responses. And the pleasure of coming in here, knowing people by name, being known, and knowing that they care about me as a patient.